Want fresh vegetables from your own backyard? Here are the top 5 easiest vegetables anyone can grow at home. Number 5. Radishes. They grow super fast and can be ready to harvest in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for beginners. Number 4. Green beans. These productive plants love sunshine and keep giving you fresh beans throughout the season. See how many I've got? And they'll keep producing all season long. Lettuce. Easy to grow in containers or garden beds. Harvest the outer leaves and enjoy fresh salads for weeks. Zucchini. Just one plant can produce a huge harvest. Give it space, water regularly, and watch it thrive. Cherry tomatoes. They're easy to grow, highly productive, and taste amazing straight from the vine. Which vegetable would you grow first? Let us know in the comments and follow for more gardening tips. Boom!